carpets protect the floors from scratches, dirt, stains, damage, and other wear and tear. This is an important part of interior design. Most commercial and industrial places of business use carpet cleaner machines with shampooing capabilities for the daily cleaning of their carpeted floors. However, more and more homeowners are replacing their vacuums with a commercial-grade carpet cleaner in order to get a quicker, deeper, and more thorough clean at home. Steam is a powerful cleaning tool. It can be used to clean a variety of surfaces around your home, including carpets and upholstery. Hot and powerful steam from a steam cleaner can help release stains, odors, and caked-on messes that can make your carpets and furniture look dirty or dated. In the past, steam cleaning machines were pretty cost-prohibitive for households, leading consumers to either need to rent one or hire a pro once to twice a year. Now, however, steam cleaners are very affordable, and there are even many models designed specifically for the household rather than commercial purposes. There are a number of carpet cleaners available in the market, but the steam cleaners stand to be the best and most efficient one. Using them can greatly reduce your cleaning work. In this video, we tried to review the top 5 best carpet steam cleaner machines for pets and stains, which will help you to choose the right one for your carpet cleaning solution. We made this list based on our personal opinion, and we ranked them after our hard-working research based on their price, customer opinion, safety, durability, reputation, and our standard reviewing process. Bissell Turboclean Carpet Cleaner Machine and Carpet Shampooer. Bissell proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. 4-row dirt lifter, power brush, and powerful suction. Powerful Bissell Oxy formula cleans stains like cola and urine. Weighs just 12 pounds and has a retractable handle for easy storage. Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner. Lightweight and compact design for efficient cleaning and storage. Plastic handle material. Good for pet messes, high traffic areas, and small spaces. The competitive lightweight carpet cleaner with 2x more cleaning power. Comes with a Hoover nozzle cleanout tool and a Hoover trial size to help enhance your cleaning performance. Bissell ProHeat 2X Pet Pro Full-Size Carpet Cleaner. Removable brush roll cover gives easy access to efficiently clean and maintain your deep cleaner. Delivers dry carpets in about 30 minutes. Includes 3 inches tough stain tool and 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool. Removes pet hair, stains, and odors from upholstery. Lightweight design, less than 18 pounds, and low-profile foot makes it easy to use and maneuver around furniture. Hoover FH53000 PC Smart Wash Automatic Carpet Cleaner. The triggerless design automatically mixes and dispenses solutions as you push forward to eliminate the guesswork. The innovative Spot Chaser pre-treat wand detaches from the machine to provide instant cleaning action for set-in stains with the included Oxy pre-treat solution. The Flex Force Pet Power Brushes clean deep and resist pet odor buildup while removing dirt, debris, and pet messes from your home. One-step removable nozzle makes it easy to clean the brushes. Bissell ProHeat 1887 Carpet Cleaner and Carpet Shampooer. Remove embedded dirt and allergens. 6-row dirt lifter, power brush, and powerful suction. Use with Bissell PRO Max Clean Plus Protect formula for tough ground-in dirt and stains. Heatawave technology helps maintain water temperature throughout the deep cleaning process. Removable nozzle makes machine maintenance and cleanup easy. Thanks for watching the video. Find the product link on description below. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell so you notify if we upload a new video on our channel.